Okay, good morning. Let us study today about probability, and especially we will be solving the questions related to probability today, which is given in CBSE book, that is exercise 16.1. And this exercise 16.1 particularly belongs to finding out outcomes and sample space. Okay, right. So let us have some clarity on outcomes and sample space. So outcome means if we are doing anything, if we are doing anything, there will be something, some result will be there. That result will be called as outcome. Okay. So the result of any activity or event is called as an outcome. Is called as an outcome. Like suppose if we throw a coin, certainly some result will come. Either there will be head or tail will come. So this head or tail is called an outcome. If we are appearing in the examination, certainly we will get some result, whether we pass or fail. Outcome. When we eat food, we will get energy in our body. Or it may create some problem in our body. We may lose energy also due to some of the ill effect of that food. Outcome. So I hope everybody has understood that what actually is the outcome. Outcome means if we are doing anything, then what the result we are getting it, that is called an outcome. Whereas sample space, when we talk about sample space, so sample space consists of those outcomes which satisfy our conditions. And it will consist of all solutions which will be needed to satisfy the conditions, satisfy the given condition. In place of our condition, it's better to write as the given condition. Like for throwing a coin, we will get the outcome head or tail, but when we will be writing in the form of sets, okay, so head or tail, there will be two outcomes. Okay, so from outcome, even we are also finding out number of outcomes. So we know that if we are throwing a coin, there will be two outcome, head or tail. If we are throwing two coins simultaneously, there will be four outcomes. So where two you can say results are there, maximum two outcomes are there, then number of possible outcomes can also be found out. Number of possible is equal to 2 to the power n. So we know that n is equal to 2 for a coin. N is equal to 2 for a coin. N is equal to 6 for a dice. For a dice. Okay. Right. So suppose we have thrown a coin 3 times, then it will become 2 to the power 3. So total number of outcomes will be 8. And when those outcomes which will be included in a set, then it will be called as sample space. It will be called as sample space. Let us solve some question, and when we will solve a question, we will understand properly. Okay? Right. So here we are given, describe the sample space, and a coin is tossed 3 times. So as I told, the coin is tossed 3 times. So number of possible outcomes will be equal to 2 to the power 3, and that is 8. We know that what are the possible outcome from a coin, from tossing a coin. So this is either head or tail. Either head or tail. Right? Okay. Now tossed 3 times. So what are the possibilities? Let us find out. So we can use the table which I am going to tell to our students. Like suppose it is tossed 2 times. When tossed 2 times, we can draw the table like this. It will be always more better. H, T, H, T. So this one will give at HH, HT, sorry, TH, TT. So when we have gone for tossing 2 coins, so it has given HH, HT, TH, TT. These are the 4 outcomes we got. Now if we have gone for 3 times, so it's always better that with 2 coins, what we have got? We have got HH, we have got HT, we have got TH, we have got TT. With the 3rd coin, we'll get HT. So we'll make it as HH, HH, HHT, HTH, HTT, THH, THT, TTH, TTTT. So we have got 8 outcomes. Okay. So the total outcome or the sample space will be HHH, HHT, HTH, HTT, THH, THT, TTH and TTT. So total number of outcomes will be 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, right. Now we are given a die is thrown 2 times. So the number of outcome here, the number of outcome is 6. Okay. So die here thrown 2 times. Okay. So what are the number of outcomes? Number of outcomes is 6. How many times it is thrown? It is thrown 2 times. So the total number of outcome will be 6 into 6, that is 36. So what we will be getting the sample space here? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Okay. So like this, suppose in die number 1, 1 has come, and in other die it has come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, it will become 2, 1 and it will go up till here 2, 6. Then similarly 3, 1 and it will go like this up to 3, 6. Then 4, 1, it will go up till here, sorry, 4, 6. Then 5, 1 and 5, 6. Then 6, 1 and up till here 6, 6. So the total number of outcome we have got 36, and this is the sample space. Okay, now a coin is tossed 4 times. So a coin is there, so number of outcomes in a coin, that is 2. Head and tail, yes. How many times it is tossed? 4 times. Total number of outcome will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, so 4, 4, 16. So we already solved for 3 times. Okay. We remember we have already solved for, you can say 3 times coin is tossed in previous question, where in first question. So if we will get this HHHHT, again we will be going for, and here itself I am trying to solve it. It will be more better, that question. Okay. So question number 3, here I am solving. So for 3 times we have already solved. Now we will go for 8 times. This one we will be writing H H H H H T H T H H T T T H H T H T T T H T T T T. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Further, here, so this is H. Okay. This is T. Now again H, 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 H. Triple H, T. Then H, H, T, H. H, H, T, T. H, T, H. H, T, H, T. Okay. H, T, T, H. H, T, T, T. T, H, H, H. T, H, H, T. And T, H, T, H. T, H, T, T. T, T, H, H. T, T, H, T. Triple T, H. And 4T. So these are the 16 possible outcomes, sample spaces, which will be there, which we will be writing here. Okay, if we will write here 16 sample spaces in the form of set. So like this we will be writing, so H, 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 and going up to the end, that is T, 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 T. Sorry, not this comma, comma will not be there. Okay, here comma will be there, and like this. So these are the 16 sample spaces which will be getting in question number 3 here. Okay, so H, 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 and further, sorry, up to T, 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 T. In between 14 elements will be there in this sample space. Okay. Now a coin is also tossed and a die is also thrown. So a coin is tossed, it will give 2 outcomes, that is H and T for a coin. And if a die is thrown, it will be giving you 6 outcomes. So there are chances that when H is coming, 1 will come. H is there, 2 will come. H is there, 3 will come. H is there, 4 will come. 5, H, 6. All possible outcomes. Okay, what are the possibilities? Then further T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. Okay. So these are the outcomes, possibilities are there. Okay. Question number 5. A coin is tossed and then a die is rolled only in case a head is shown on the coin. A die is rolled only in case a head is shown on the coin. So coin is getting tossed, we get H and T. A die is rolled only when head is coming. So it means there are, and for a die, what are the outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this sample space, especially when H has come, so H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. But when T is coming, die will not be thrown. When T is coming, die will not be thrown. Okay. Now here 2 boys and 2 girls are in room X and 1 boy and 3 girls in room Y. Now specify the sample space for the experiment in which a room is selected and then a person. Okay, 2 boys and 2 girls are in room X. Okay, so in room X, let 2 boy B1 and B2 and 2 girls G1 and G2. Okay, right. And in room Y, 1 boy, let this boy is B3 and let the girl 3 girls G3, G4 and G5 are in room Y. Now specify the sample space for the experiment in which a room is selected. So a room is selected between room X or room Y like this, and then a person will be selected. So if a room is selected like X, the sample space will be, suppose a room is selected as X and then a person is selected, then it may be XB1, XB2, correct? It may be X, sorry, we will be writing in capital, X G1, X G2. Okay. Now if Y is selected, then Y B3, Y G3, Y G4, Y G5, and like this the sample space will be created. One die of red color, one of white color and one of blue color are placed in a bag. One die is selected at random and rolled. So there are chances that whether red color will come, white color will come, blue color will come, anything will come. So selected at random and rolled. Its color and the number on its uppermost face is noted. Now describe the sample space. So selection of one die of red color. So let us denote it with red color. Red color, white color and blue color. One die is selected at random and rolled. Its color and the number on its uppermost face is noted. Okay. So it may be, we can say red color, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. White color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and blue color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So its sample may be R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, then W1, W2, W3, W4, W5, W6. Similarly, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5 and B6. So these are the sample space. Okay. Now, an experiment consists of recording boy-girl composition of families with two children. Okay, boy-girl composition of families with two children. Families with two children. What is the sample space if we are interested in knowing whether it is a boy or girl in the order of their births? And what is the sample space if we are interested in the number of girls in the family? Recording boy-girl composition of families with two children. Okay. So with two children, if a boy or a girl, so there may be a chance that whether the two children will be boy boy or boy girl or girl boy or girl girl, like this. So what it is in the order of their births, actually, in the order of their births. And what is the sample space if we are interested in the number of girls in the family? So as per this, the sample space which we have created, boy boy is there, so there will be a 0 number of girls in the family. Or you can say there may be one girl in the family, there may be two girls in the family. So 0, 1, 2 is the number of girls in the family. Okay, a box contains one red and three identical balls, white balls. One red, three identical white balls. Two balls are drawn at random in succession without replacement. Okay. Write the sample space for the experiments. So consists of the box consists of one red plus three white balls. Total 4 balls are there. Okay. And 2 balls are drawn at random. So there may be a chances that one red ball will come, another one will be white. There may be cases, so first red and white. Then there may be cases when both are white. There may be cases then when one first white ball and another one red ball is drawn. So these are the 3 only possibilities are there. Okay. Question number 10. An experiment consists of tossing a coin and then throwing it second time if a head occurs. If a tail occurs on the first toss, then a die is rolled once. Find the sample space. Okay. So it will be just like tossing a coin, so head and tail will come, right? Possibility. And from a die, we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Right. So if a tail occurs on the first toss, then a die is rolled once. If suppose a head occurs first time, then throwing it second time. If a head occurs, so again it will be thrown second time. So there may be a case that first time if head has come, again second time it may come as head, it may come as tail. But if tail comes, die is rolled. So T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. So this is the sample space. Okay. Now suppose 3 bulbs are selected at random from a lot. Each bulb is tested and classified as defective or non-defective. Write the sample space for this experiment. Okay. 3 bulbs are there selected at random from a lot. Okay, defective or non-defective. So the total number of outcomes may be 2. How many are there for each one? So 2 outcomes are there. So total outcomes will be 8. So total outcomes, it will be 8. Okay. Again, just like coin, we will be doing. So we will be getting with 2 bulbs if it is there, then we will get as both bulbs are defective. Both bulbs are okay, one defective, one non-defective. First one is non-defective, second one is defective, and fourth one is both one is non-defective. Okay. Similarly, here we will write defective and non-defective. Right? So it may come all 3 defective, non-defective, DND, DNN, ND, D, NDN, NND, NNN. So the sample space will be DDD, DDN, DND, DNN, okay, and NDD, NDN, NND, NNN. These are the sample spaces for this one. Okay. Now question number 12. A coin is tossed. If the outcome is a head, a die is thrown. If the die shows up an even number, the die is thrown again. What is the sample space for the experiment? So in this one, coin is tossed, again H and T, right? If the outcome is a head, a die is thrown. Okay. So it will be H and T. So the outcome is a head. Okay, so if the outcome is a head, a die is thrown. If the die shows up an even number, the die is thrown again. So in this case, if the tail comes, nothing will happen. We will not do anything. Okay, if the tail comes, nothing will be done. But if the head comes, a die is thrown. So H1, one circumstance, H2, and H3, H4, H5, H6. Okay. So this has given us with H. Now if the die shows up an even number, the die is thrown again. Okay. So what it will be there, that if H even number, prime number is not told to us, though 2 is also even number. 2 is also even number, and but it comes some prime number also, whereas 4 and 6 are totally even number. So we can say that H4 1 again, like this. It will be repeating. Then H4 2, and it will go up to H4 6. Similarly, H6 1 and H6 6. So like this, we will be getting the number, the sample space, we can say. Okay, right. The numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 are written separately on 4 slips of paper. Okay, 4 slips of paper are there where it is written 1, 2, 3 and 4 on 4 slips. The slips are put in a box and mixed thoroughly. Slips are put in a box and mixed thoroughly, and a person draws two slips from the box. Person is drawing two slips from the box, one after the other without replacement. Describe the sample space for the experiment. Okay, so in first case, anything may come 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if it is 1, so it will be just like this one. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, like this it will be there. Okay, so if it is sample space 1, then another one 2 may come, 1, 3 may come, 1, 4 may come. Similarly, if 2 is coming, then 1 can come. 2 will not be there, 2 3 will come, and 2 4 will come. Similarly, 3 1 will be there, 3 2 will be there, 3 4 will be there, then 4 1 will be there, 4 2, 4 3. So these are the sample spaces. An experiment consists of rolling a die and then tossing a coin. Okay, right. Rolling a die and tossing a coin if the number on the die is 7. And then tossing consists of rolling a die. Okay, rolling a die will be giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then tossing a coin if the number of on the die is, sorry, not 7, even. On the die is even, right? So even number is 2 is also even number, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. If the number on the die is odd, then coin is tossed twice. Write the sample space for this experiment. Okay, and then tossing a coin once if the number on the die is 7. So it will be even. It will be consisting of first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then another one if it is even. So we can say if it is even, then coin is tossed. So if it is 2, then H will come, 2, T will come, right? Similarly, with 4, H, then 4, T will be there, 6, H will be there, 6, T will be there, okay, right? And if the number on the die is odd, that is 1, 3, 5, okay, on the die is odd, the coin is tossed twice. And write the sample space for the experiment. Okay, so it will be just like 1 will not take as odd number. It is not coming under the category of prime number also. So 3 we can take. The coin is tossed twice. So it may be with 3. If the coin is tossed twice, we are getting what are the things? HH, HT, TH, TT. These are the outcomes. Okay, so it may be 3 HH, okay, 3 HT, 3 TH, 3 TT. Then coming to 5 HH, 5HT, 5TH, all in bracket we will put, and 5TT. 5TT, okay, it will be there. 6H6T, already we have written for 6-1, okay. This will be the sample space. Now a coin is tossed. If it shows a tail, we draw a ball from a box which contains 2 red and 3 black balls. Okay, so the first outcome will be H or T. Okay, if a coin is tossed, if it shows a tail, right, then suppose it is showing tail. So red ball, 2 red balls are there. Suppose 2 red balls are R1 and R2. 3 black balls are, suppose these are B1, B2 and B3. So suppose if T has come, so the tail, draw a ball. So it may be TR1, TR2, TB1, TB2, TB3. Okay. If it shows head, we throw a die. So H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Okay? Right. A die is thrown repeatedly until a 6 comes up. What is the sample space for this experiment? So, it may be that in first throw itself 6 came, stopped. But if it has not come, then you can say 1 has come. So 1. And another die is thrown. Okay. Second time. So it has come 6. Again stopped. If 2 is thrown, 2 came, again die is thrown, it may stop. 3, 6, we can write. 4, 6, we can write. 5, 6, we can write. If it is so that if it has not come in another throw, it has increased, you can say 1 has come, in another throw also 1 has come, then again 6 has come, it has stopped. So it will be continuing. It will not stop actually. So it is a repeated experiment. So its sample space will be like this only. Okay. So I feel that my students would have understood that what actually is the sample space. Means all the possibilities. The sample space will consist of all possible outcomes of the event or your experiment. And this is called probability. Probability means counting all types of chances. All chance should be counted. Okay. So thank you very much. If you have liked it, so please you can share with your friends. Thank you.